Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Emma Finance app. But before we dive into the details, let's start with a question. Have you ever felt like you're constantly struggling to keep track of your finances? Maybe you're always overspending on certain categories, or you're not sure where all your money is going. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world face similar challenges when it comes to managing their finances. That's where the Emma Finance app comes in. Emma is a personal finance app that helps you take control of your money. It's designed to be easy to use and packed with features that can help you save money, track your spending, and reach your financial goals. So, what is the Emma Finance app, and how can it help you? In this video, I'll give you a comprehensive overview of the Emma Finance app, including its features, benefits, and how to get started. So, if you're ready to learn more about how to take control of your finances, stay tuned. What is the Emma Finance app? Emma is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Key features of the Emma Finance app. Track your spending. Emma automatically tracks your spending from all of your linked bank accounts and credit cards. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Set budgets. Emma allows you to set budgets for different categories, such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment. This helps you stay on track with your spending and avoid overspending. Save money. Emma can help you save money by identifying recurring expenses that you can cancel or negotiate. It can also help you find ways to save money on everyday purchases, such as groceries and gas. Reach your financial goals. Emma can help you reach your financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. You can set up goals and track your progress over time. Other features. Emma also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to track your investments, get personalized financial advice, and more. Benefits of using the Emma Finance app. There are many benefits to using the Emma Finance app. Some of the most notable benefits include: saves you time and money. Emma can help you save time by automatically tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can cut back. It can also help you save money by finding ways to save on everyday purchases. Helps you reach your financial goals. Emma can help you reach your financial goals by setting budgets and tracking your progress over time. Improves your financial literacy. Emma can help you learn more about personal finance by providing you with educational resources and insights. Easy to use. Emma is designed to be easy to use, even for people who are not tech savvy. How to get started with the Emma Finance app. Getting started with the Emma Finance app is easy. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link your bank accounts and credit cards. Pricing. Emma offers a free version and a paid version. The free version includes basic features such as tracking your spending and setting budgets. The paid version, Emma Pro, offers additional features such as the ability to track your investments and get personalized financial advice. The Emma Finance app is a great way to take control of your finances. It's easy to use, packed with features, and can help you save money and reach your financial goals. If you're looking for a way to improve your financial health, I highly recommend giving Emma a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.